Hi, my name is Mick Ichiba, and I'm a Field Applications Engineer with Intel Programmable Solutions Group. The purpose of these videos is to show you a great system integration tool called System Console. After these videos, you should be more familiar with System Console, who should be using it, how to use it, and what existing debug tools are based on System Console. We'll also show you a demo. Okay, let's get started. Before I was an FAE working for Altera and now Intel FPGA, I was a Quartus user. I did not know about System Console and how to use it. However, after learning about it, I found it incredibly useful. Based on my experience, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is System Console? Who should be using System Console? Most, after learning about System Console, find ways to leverage its capabilities into their next FPGA development. How do you use System Console? How does it connect to the FPGA via service paths? Common flows that allow a user to either use System Console interactively or using scripts where custom GUIs can be created. We'll go over some examples and then do a quick demonstration. Okay, let's better understand System Console. System Console is an interactive console for low-level system debug of QSYS-based systems over JTAG. Each Altera or Intel FPGA has a JTAG hub in it that acts as an arbiter to things like SignalTap, NEOS2, in-system signals and probes, or System Console. Based on Tcl and scriptable via Tcl, it has a simple set of commands for communicating with various parts of your QSYS system. The interactive console itself opens either as a separate window or in an existing NEOS2 command shell. System Console is a system-level debug tool that complements SignalTap and in-system signals and probes. In addition to the console itself, there is full scripting support, including standard in, standard out, standard error, argument handling, and sourcing of Tcl files from within an interactive session. Okay, so who should be using System Console? I have found that anyone developing systems with or without an embedded processor using Altera Intel FPGAs can leverage System Console. That's right, you don't need to have a processor to take advantage of System Console. System-level test and development engineers can take advantage of System Console by automating system-level testing and development. I've seen a number of engineers write complex Tcl scripts to automate hardware checkout related to the Altera or Intel FPGAs when bringing up boards. The same scripts were then leveraged during manufacturing test. Anyone that is using QSYS or QSYS-based IP can take advantage of using System Console to interactively debug or control IP via Tcl scripts. Finally, QSYS component developers can test their components interactively through the System Console interface, speeding up development. So, how do you use System Console? System Console is ideal for low-level debug or system-level debugging and is particularly well suited for board bring-up and initial system testing. Again, no processor is required. Some base knowledge of Tcl scripting and a few minutes playing in the interactive console and you should be off and running. The following block diagram shows a typical system that leverages System Console to access user control status registers, an external memory interface, or some custom user logic. To get access to the JTAG hub within the Altera or Intel FPGA, you can instantiate a JTAG to Avalon master, NEOS2, or JTAG UART component. All components I just mentioned can be found in QSYS. When you launch the System Console application from Quartus or the command line, it will connect to the JTAG hub in the Altera or Intel FPGA and then map traffic to the component you instantiated, NEOS2, and the JTAG to Avalon master bridge as shown in the diagram.